Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today I am discuss my project. My project name is Online Blood Donation Management System. So now let's go to my project video presentation. So this is my project about it is web application. This application any person who can need blood and interested in donating the blood can register himself in the same way if any organization want to register itself with this site can also register. So I go to the next slide. So this is the benefit of the project. This project is friendliness and I provide that to in the application with various controller. Donor can easily donate the blood. User can easily find out the blood. So I go to the next slide. So this is the features of the project. First of all, user can search blood group, user can search donor, user can see donor information. Any user can update his information. Donor can easily donate blood. List of donor who are eligible for the donation and particular date with contact number. The types of organization create account for create any many events and admit, edit, delete and user, donor and organization information. Admin manage the whole system. So next slide. So this is the development tools, user interface and technology. It is web-based design, implementation and tools platform, operating system Windows 10 and web-based and MVC5 framework and database connection SQL Server. So this is the use case diagram. So this is the activity diagram of user. So this is the organization diagram. This is the admin diagram. This is the class diagram, and this is the user interface home page, and this is the registration page, and this is the login page, and this is the home page of user. This is the add user page. This is the donor home page. This is the donate blood home page. This is the view donor information. So this is the organization home page, and this is the add organization page, and this is the view organization page, and this is the admin home page, and this is the admin edit or delete user page, and this is the admin add blood group page, and this is the admin edit delete and donor information view page, and admin add organization page, and this is the add division page. This is the add district page. So this is my future plan. If this software used properly, user can understand and usability, and it can use for other things like add update future. It can use daily life. It can improve for other things if it is useful for user and they got help from this. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum. I am Nazmun Alam. Today I am discuss my project. My project name is Online Donate Blood. At present, there are many projects of blood donation system, but people are suffering many problems to find out donor and blood. My project mainly focus how can people find out easily donor and blood. So now I can show my project how can people easily find out blood and donor. So go to the registration page. First of all, people register here. So people input add details, name Mahin, then he input his email. This is the email and select user type. So if people find out blood and donor, then he select user, or he donate blood, so select the donor. If he create a event, then he select organization. So we can show now how can find out blood and donor. So we select user and input password and confirm password. Then we create, so registration successfully, then we log in here, Mahin. So we create, then this is the home page, user home page. So how can find the blood? If we need O positive blood, then we search. So this is the O positive blood donor. So then we contact the admin, how can donor information and contact number. So now I can show donate blood. So we go to the again registration page and donor name Raju and email and select donor and input password, then we confirm password. Then registration successful and go to the login page and email, donor email, and this is an input password, then create. So this is the donor home page. So now I can show donate blood. So first of all he donate now. So this is the donor name already input here. So this is the donor input. So donor input their email and input their number and select blood group, which blood he donate, AB positive. So division, select the division, Dhaka, select the district, Gazipur, and select address, Gazipur, and select the date and create. The donor information has been successfully added. So we see the donor information. So this is the last added donor information, Gazipur, and details here. So now I can show how can create event for organization. So we go to the registration page and organization name or no, and organization email and input and select organization, must be select organization, and select password input and confirm password. Then we create registration successfully. So we log in here or no, and input password, create. This is the organization home page. So now I can show how add organization details. So we select how can organization type. This is this is social service or healthcare or NGO or humanity. So we select we select name social social care and phone number 0162716286. So email, this is the email, and organization type, this is the NGO, healthcare, social healthcare or humanity. So this is the social care, so social healthcare, and district at Dhaka, district Gazipur. Event, how can we create a event? So we create event safe, donate blood, donate blood, safe for life. So this is fixed date, then save. So organization information is successfully. Then we go to the home page and add organization. Sorry, home page and view organization. So this is the view of organization. So this is the last added or organization name, healthcare, the organization social healthcare, and this is the organization details. So then we sing out. So now I can say, so this project is very unique others project, because my project is very user friendly other project, and people easily access this system. So this is my project details. Assalamu alaikum.